Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm David. Today, we're going to focus on some really useful phrases that you can use in your daily life. These phrases will help you navigate various situations and conversations more smoothly.
That's right, David. Let's dive right in. Our first phrase is, could you please repeat that?
Ah, yes, this is a great phrase to use when you didn't quite catch what someone said. For example, if you're in a noisy environment or on the phone and need someone to repeat themselves.
Absolutely. It shows that you're attentive and interested in understanding the other person. Another useful phrase is, can you help me, please? Right, David?
This phrase is perfect for when you need assistance with something. For instance, if you're in a store and can't find what you're looking for, you can ask a staff member, "Can you help me, please?"
Exactly. It's polite and straightforward. Now, let's talk about, I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Ah, yes. This phrase is helpful if you're having trouble following a conversation or if someone is speaking too quickly. You can say, "I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain it again?" It's important to feel comfortable asking for clarification when needed. Moving on to another common phrase, "Nice to meet you."
This is a friendly phrase used when you're introduced to someone new. It's a great way to start a conversation. For example, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you."
Indeed, Sarah. Using this phrase helps create a positive first impression. Let's not forget thank you and you're welcome. These are fundamental expressions of gratitude and politeness.
Thank you is used to show appreciation, while you're welcome is the appropriate response when someone thanks you.
Absolutely. Showing gratitude is important in any language. Now, let's discuss excuse me.
Excuse me is versatile. You can use it to get someone's attention, to move past someone politely, or to apologize if you accidentally bump into someone. It's a handy phrase for many everyday situations. Remember, being polite goes a long way in communication.
That's right, Sarah. These phrases are simple yet effective tools for improving your daily interactions in English. Now, let's explore more phrases that can enhance your communication skills. How about, "I need your assistance"?
Yes, David. I need your assistance is a formal and polite way to ask for help. For example, if you're at work and require support from a colleague, you can say, "Excuse me, I need your assistance with this task."
Precisely, Sarah. Being clear and respectful when seeking help is essential in professional environments. Another useful phrase is, "Could you explain that in more detail?"
Absolutely. This phrase is valuable when you want a deeper explanation about something. For instance, if you're in a meeting and need more information about a project, you can say, "Could you explain that in more detail, please?" Moving on, let's talk about, I appreciate your assistance.
Ah, yes. "I appreciate your assistance" is a gracious way to express gratitude for someone's help. It acknowledges their support and shows respect.
And don't forget, could you please speak more slowly?
Right, Sarah. This phrase is helpful when someone is speaking too fast. You can politely ask them to slow down so you can better understand. Effective communication means being clear and considerate of each other's needs.
Absolutely. Let's also discuss, may I interrupt you for a moment?
Yes, Sarah. "May I interrupt you for a moment?" is a polite way to interject during a conversation. It shows respect for the other person's speaking time while allowing you to contribute. Now let's explore phrases for expressing preferences. For example, "I'd prefer to meet in the morning."
Good suggestion, David. I'd prefer to meet in the morning communicates your preferred time clearly. For instance, if you're scheduling a meeting, you can say, "I'd prefer to meet in the morning if possible." Another useful phrase is, "Could we reschedule our appointment?"
Absolutely. Sometimes plans change, and it's important to request a new appointment time politely. You can say, "Could we reschedule our appointment for next week?" Offering alternatives shows respect for others' time. Now, let's discuss phrases for expressing apologies.
How about, I apologize for the inconvenience?
Yes, "I apologize for the inconvenience" is a polite way to express regret when something disrupts others. For example, "I apologize for the inconvenience caused by the delay."
Another important phrase is, please accept my sincere apologies.
Absolutely. This phrase shows real sincerity and a desire to make amends. Now, let's move to making requests.
How about, could you send me the report?
Yes. Could you send me the report? Is a polite way to request information or documents. For example, could you send me the report by the end of the day? Another helpful phrase is, would you mind helping me with this task?
Indeed, it's a respectful way to ask for help. For instance, would you mind helping me with this task? Now, let's talk about giving compliments.
How about, you did a fantastic job?
Yes, you did a fantastic job is great for showing appreciation. For example, you did a fantastic job on that presentation.
Another nice phrase is, I admire your creativity.
Absolutely. Recognizing others' talents and efforts builds positive relationships. Now, let's explore phrases related to offering help.
How about, can I assist you with anything?
Yes, David, it's a kind and proactive way to offer help. For example, can I assist you with anything? Another thoughtful phrase is, let me know if you need any help.
Absolutely. This shows openness and willingness to support others.
Well, that wraps up our discussion of useful phrases for everyday communication.
We hope you found these phrases helpful and will start using them in your daily conversations. If you have any questions or want to share how you use these phrases, feel free to reach out to us on our podcast platform.
Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your English skills.
And remember, the more you use these phrases, the more confident you'll become in your English speaking abilities.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.